Describe water pouring from a cup. What's it look like to you? What's the smallest amount of water you can pour at one time? Is it a drop? The smallest unit of water is a molecule. I can't pour a single molecule, but if I could, it might look like this. Each model represents one molecule. So each individual model here is a single water molecule. The chemical formula for water is H2O. Water is made of two elements, hydrogen and oxygen. The hydrogen and oxygen molecules are covalently bonded. This means that they share electrons. Oxygen shares an electron with hydrogen and with this hydrogen. Oxygen doesn't play fair when it comes to electron sharing. The nucleus of some atoms have a stronger pull on shared electrons. These atoms are called electronegative. Oxygen is very electronegative. So as the hydrogen and oxygen share the electrons, the oxygen nucleus has a stronger pull on the electron pair, and they're much more likely to be closer to the oxygen nucleus than to the hydrogen nucleus. This affects the entire molecule. It's said to be polar because it has a slight positive charge near the hydrogen atom and a slight negative charge near the oxygen end. We call this a delta positive and a delta negative. The charges are at the two ends of the covalent bond, resulting in poles. Therefore, this is a polar covalent bond. The relationship between water molecules is affected. Two or more molecules are attracted to one another in a very specific way. So, the negatively charged oxygen end is attracted to a positively charged hydrogen end, and this is called a hydrogen bond. This is a weak bond, but if you have a large number of them together, which you do in a glass of water, for instance, it has surprising strength. The polarity of an individual molecule then has far-reaching consequences as these molecules come together with the hydrogen bonding. Water to water is not the only thing that can form a hydrogen bond. We see hydrogen bonds in DNA. Anywhere we have this unequal charge, this electronegativity, we can have a hydrogen bond between hydrogen and another part of a molecule. I want you to use your model pieces to demonstrate your understanding of the terms that are on your water modeling sheet. You can demonstrate your knowledge in a variety of different ways. You might make a short video. You might take pictures of your result with a script. Enjoy.